Oxytocin, often called the love hormone or bonding hormone, plays an amazing role in both the body and the brain. But it's more than just a feel-good chemical. Let's explore how this powerful hormone supports reproduction, emotional connection, and overall health. Oxytocin is made in the brain, specifically in the hypothalamus. It's stored and released from the back part of the pituitary gland, known as the posterior pituitary. When someone breastfeeds, gives birth, or experiences stress, oxytocin is released into the bloodstream. It also acts within the brain itself, influencing how we feel and behave. But oxytocin isn't just made in the brain. It's also produced in other parts of the body, like the uterus, placenta, ovaries, testes, and even the heart. Oxytocin works by attaching to special proteins on cells called receptors. These receptors need certain substances like magnesium and cholesterol to function well. Interestingly, the place where oxytocin binds is different from where blocking drugs attach, which gives researchers insight into how to fine-tune its effects. Hormones like estrogen and other sex steroids also affect how oxytocin works, but scientists are still learning exactly how this happens at a deeper molecular level. Most people know oxytocin for its role in childbirth and breastfeeding. It helps the uterus contract during labor and supports milk release during breastfeeding. In mouse studies, oxytocin is essential for the milk letdown reflex, but its role in labor is more complicated. Right before labor, the uterus becomes more sensitive to oxytocin, and more oxytocin receptors show up in the uterus. Oxytocin also helps release a compound called PGF2A, which plays a part in the birth process. In women, oxytocin also helps control the menstrual cycle and supports the function of the ovaries. In men, it helps with sexual arousal and ejaculation, but its influence goes beyond reproduction. Oxytocin receptors are found in the heart, kidneys, and fat tissue. For example, in rats, oxytocin helps the heart and kidneys manage salt and water levels, a sign that this hormone plays a role in blood pressure and fluid balance too. In the brain, oxytocin helps regulate hormone release, but it also influences emotions, bonding, and social behaviors, especially those related to parenting and caregiving. It can reduce stress and promote feelings of trust and connection. This may be why oxytocin is linked to forming strong relationships between partners, parents, and children, and even friends. We know that hormones like estrogen affect how the oxytocin system works, but how this happens inside our cells is still a mystery. Scientists are continuing to explore how oxytocin interacts with other systems in the body, and how we might use this knowledge to treat stress, mental health conditions, and hormonal issues. From supporting birth to building bonds, oxytocin truly connects our body and mind. Understanding this powerful hormone could open new doors for medicine, mental health, and human connection. Subscribe for more science made simple. Like and share if you found this helpful.